So this is what the wig is looking like. I already customized it and everything, and this is what the inside of the cap construction looks like. Standard cap construction comes with 4 combs and an adjustable strap. So let's just install this. Now for installation today, I'm just going to use my usual, which is the Got To Be blasting spray, and I'm going to work from side to side and then the center. So this is what the earring is looking like. As you guys can see, it has a little white cast. So what I'm going to do to get rid of the white cast is just get my Got To Be, spray it on my finger and dab that on the earline, and then I take my blow dryer again on cool hair and just dry that down. And that's pretty much it for the install. I did lose a few clips, so I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like after I laid my baby hairs and I got my mousse and water to get the curls tight because I lost that clip. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Ollie. Go and pick up yourself.